Matthew, you have to hold on when you're moving. Where are you going? Now you can stand. You want to move? Be careful. I know where you're going. You're going to your mobile, huh? You have to hold on. Hold on to the railing. Hold on. You're like a little monkey. Monkey, monkey. You're like an acrobat. Uh-huh. One handle to the next, huh? Yay! Good job! You have to be very careful. Matthew. Be very careful. Hold on. Good job. Good. So you got to hold on to the railing. Up, up, up. Weeble. Ready? Stand up. Weeble. All right, you want to get up again? All right, I'll help you. Here. Gotta help this monkey.